The GODIAG brand was founded in 2019 by a group of industry experts and engineers. It is a professional brand of diagnostic products, services, and solutions. GODIAG has been committed to providing excellent products to meet the needs of all our dealers and end users. Relying on mature design and development capabilities and advanced automated production equipment, we sell our products all over the world. We strive to open up the market and provide high-standard quality products and services to more customers in need. We will continue to invest in developing more high-quality and easy-to-use tools and automotive diagnostic products with industry-leading technology.